Hey guys, welcome to Fit Me Recipes. Today I'm sharing healthy chia pudding recipe which is an ideal breakfast for weight loss and which helps you to keep full for a longer time. Thus help in your weight loss and fitness journey. So without any further delay, let's get to the recipe. First, in a glass container or jar, I'm adding homemade fresh coconut milk which I have already shared. The links will uploaded in the description or in I button. However, you can use any other milk like almond milk, cashew milk of your choice. Next, into this I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in omega 3, omega 6 fatty acids, fiber, protein, healthy fats, and many other great properties. Next, for flavor, I'm adding quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder, also known as choti elaichi ka powder. Give it all a nice stir to prevent it from clumping. And for sweetness, I'm adding soft dates. However, you can also use maple syrup or honey if you have or if you like the taste of it. Okay, let it cover and set it for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight for best results. After 3 to 4 hours, it looks like this. This is probably not the right consistency, but due to the shoot of this video, I top it right now with apples. Uh, you can also use any other fruit like pear of your choice, but it's my advice that you use apple because the juiciness and freshness of apple give a nice taste to this smoothie. For crunch and healthy fats, garnish it with pumpkin seeds, and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. My name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.